very good, was it? I'll do that again. Leave it. Oh! Don't think my acting skills are very good, to be honest with you. You're just sneaking up everywhere, aren't you? Sneaking away. So today, got to give you a weather report. And I'll always get my weather reports right. So as you can see, it's slightly overcast with a possibility of showers. See, that's how the weather people cover themselves. So, where are we up to? I was just on my way, actually, believe it or not, to this Elddis here. This van's going out in a couple of days. And what I need to do, I'm just doing a quick pre-check on it. So I've had the hot water on the electric. Nice little two-berth. So we'll just check our water is. Oh wow, that is warm.
Oh my God.
I told you it was warm. Do you know when you see the sign say don't touch wet paint, you touch it, don't you?
No.
So that, I'm happy with that. I've got my water on. So dead easy these controls are. So if you can just see here, there's my water. So you can see it's on 2 kilowatts of electric, and all I've just got to do is scroll it along, and now that's switched off. And that's the same with the heating system. So I'll just turn the pump off. The reason why I like to, and then just release a little bit of pressure so you're never overworking the van. I've also got my fridge on as well on the electric. Yeah, that's going nice and cold. I'm quite happy with this actually, so I'm going to switch that one off. We're all happy. I've done my hobs, I've done everything in there. So let's go and have a look and see what else we're up to. Give it again. So let's see where we're up to. The Elddis Concorde, we're just waiting for the tracker to be fitted. So the Heiner is nearly ready now to go out. So this is a lovely little thing, little Heimer car. So we've got the fixed bed at the back and then a little dinette and everything. I think I've showed you that anyway. Are you ready for a surprise?
Yeah.
Not you. Not you. You out there. You out there. The world's smallest van, if you've not seen the video, check it out. It's done 3 million views on YouTube. Is back. The world's smallest van is back. It comes back every year. The lady brings it down, we service it, and we just check all the appliances and check everything off. So, are you ready for the world's smallest van? Look. Look at this. It's the world's smallest van. So it's a new venture. Motorhome. Let's just have a nosy round. Come on, keep up. Where have you gone?
Let's have a nosy around.
So it's a little new venture. It's a new surf. Nice little small camper van. We're going to give it all a clean up for as well. And shall I have a look inside? Let's have a look. So look at this little baby. So we've got storage above. I don't want to go prime into the cupboards because obviously it's just got all the stuff in here. We've got the bench seats here, and then just have a look inside there. We've got the toilet, and then obviously a little sink. And then good thing about this as well. Keep up. We've got the touch lights. Look at the touch lights. There, you got a little bit of mood, and you got the touch lights. We've got a 4-burner hob, and then grill, and then we've got the sink there as well, and then we've got the 3-way fridge. So again, we can use electric, leisure, and gas. And we're just testing it at the moment on the gas, so I'll take a reading of that in a moment. But look at this, little new venture. It's back. I miss this van, you know. There, are you? I'm just having a nosy about, really, to be honest. We've got a lot of vans in. There's a rare sight. Oh, you've just missed it.
Oh. What was it?
Steve venturing out the office. So yeah, I was just having a nosy round, really. Quick weather report. Nice weather. We did have I've had a bit of rain, but we need it to freshen the earth up. So yeah, we've got quite a bit of stock in. Come on, follow me. We've got quite a bit of stock in. Yeah, sunlight, we've got water trail, We've got an Adamo just come in, a Volkswagen. Steve's looking as though he's busy. Just checking a van off that we've just sold, so we're cracking on with that. What else have we got? I think that's more or less finished, isn't it, the Elddis? John's doing some jobs on the electric van. Just having a few jobs before we get that ready for sale. New venture's all done, just waiting on the customer now. Oh, we've had a van coming. Right, do you remember the plane that had the bent down nose?
No.
Do you remember? No. It's called the Concorde. But also Concorde is a motorhome manufacturer, and I've never seen one of these before. Look at that. Concorde. It's a 2007. Let's go have a look at the front of it. So there you go, 2007 Concorde. You can see it's got the elevated roof. Steve's still being annoying. It's got the elevated roof. I'll just have a look at the mileage on it. It's on the Fiat. I won't have a look at the mileage. So
You need keys?
I need the keys, just bear
They're
with me.
They're on the hob.
Let's grab the keys out. Now, first impressions, I didn't know what to make of it. And then I popped inside and I thought, I like this. I really like this. We're not going to know what the mileage is, are we? Oh, it's done 80,000 miles. Looks like it's just been run in. Right, this Concorde. So, we've got an awning on top. Concorde are a high-end manufacturer of motorhomes as well. Let's have a quick look inside because we will do a proper review on this. So look at this. Let's just have we got some lights for this? Yeah, we've got lights on all the way round. So let's have a nosy. We've got the sink, hot water, we've got a 2-burner hob, plenty of storage around. Now isn't that the insiest fridge I've ever seen? And that is a compressor. Yeah, it's a compressor fridge, that is. So is that on? I'll switch that off. That's a compressor fridge. And then let's have a look in the back. Look at this, we've got a shower area. So we've got the cassette toilet, good storage area there as well.
Doors that opener.
And then, the what?
The doors opener.
What do you mean the doors open?
At the back.
Well, obviously you can get out the back.
No, but you can have it open as well. Wow.
So you can, but I don't want to tread on it because it's just been cleaned. We can have a shower overlooking wherever you've parked up. And then let's just swap over a second. And then what have we got here? Oh, look at that. That's a big size bed, isn't it, don't you think?
Yeah.
That's a massive size bed. So, let's put that back up. Put that back up on there. And I am assuming, yeah, these will make up, yeah, because that's the bed. That'll make up into a bed. Just noticing there, we've got 2 belted seats. And then we've got the heating and hot water. So there's something different you've probably not seen before, a Concorde campervan. So I'm going to crack on, get some things done, and I'll meet up with you a bit later.